Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. I am Ajit Mahuli, the founder and mentor at LPAT. Let's take a look at what the indices have been doing and are likely to do in this remainder of the week. On the monthly chart, after that election week, strong candle, which is not a good candle. It's quite bearish, in my opinion. I mean, we could still inch up, but not much. And probably markets are poised to come towards these areas. So no supply zone on the monthly. On the weekly chart, after that strong pullback, after that big fall, we are seeing for the last 2 days, markets are consolidating. And if we fail to give a new rally candle, I guess we should start coming down. And the area of demand zone where it is likely to come to is again this. So it will retrace back to this area of demand zone, which is about 21,500. And if it comes back all the way here, there's a good chance we could break this, maybe based on some news or events, and come all the way towards either this, that's the final target, or probably an area here that is 20,500. Right. So it's not very bullish look on the index. Maybe on confirmation, can look at some good shorts or spread strategies to begin with. On the daily, that was the area of supply zone where we had a novice and a pro gap formation because of the election results, and markets are failing to close beyond 23,350, and that could probably lead into a bigger fall. Remember, no demand zone has been formed. This is not something that you should rely on for a bigger move to the upside. Markets are anyways very elevated. So once we break this, the path should be clear for the index to again come back to these areas, which then might also get breached. So a little bit bearish view on confirmation. On the daily, this is that confirmation. And once we have this confirmation, we could probably even look at eventually markets coming back to 20,000, 21,000, or on the weekly chart, it's about 20,000. Smaller time frames for intraday or next few days trade, it's not able to go beyond convincingly here, and you could see that that's going to be a good area for targets, for the initial targets if you're short or if you're getting into any options trade like a credit spread, because volatility on the index is a little high. And once this is broken, probably again 22,000. So bearish view on the index. Avoid going the long trades. You can be stock specific for long, but maybe there is a deeper correction that could be expected in the coming few months. A quick look at India VIX. As expected, India VIX went beyond that area of 30 and has pulled back after the results, the election results, and we are coming closer to these areas. That's number one. And number two, which could probably again start pushing up the VIX towards 20 odd levels. So we could see it ranging between 13, 14 to 17 for now. And if it goes beyond 17, we could see it going beyond 20 as well, but not as high as this, as it was the case during the election results. A quick look at Bank Nifty. Again, trending market, but more compressive kind of price action. Right now, the demand, this is the monthly demand which is being held. And the next area of demand zone on the monthly would be around 21,500. So that could be the great target for Bank Nifty. If it fails to break this high and starts coming down, we could, sorry, this is private bank. Pretty much similar to Bank Nifty. So trending market, that's the main area of demand zone where prices are likely to come to in the coming few months. And this is the current area of demand zone, which is currently holding. If we fail to go beyond this high of 51,000 odd levels, it looks like Bank Nifty will retrace back all the way towards 42,000 over a period of time, and immediate target would be somewhere close to 45,000. However, there is still no supply zone for Bank Nifty. On the weekly chart, however, if you see, that's not a good candle for a bullish price action. This could probably lead further downward movement in Bank Nifty, and that's the area of demand zone which is still holding on the weekly chart. So your range will be somewhere close to 46,000 to 50,000, so a pretty wide range. And that's the next area of demand zone at about 44,500, which I was talking about. So if we start coming down and move below 49,000, probably Bank Nifty will head towards 46 and then 45. Fresh area of demand zone for Bank Nifty is at 41,400, but that's quite far right now. This could be the range that you can play. On the daily chart, again, similar pattern like a novice pro formation. That's the area of supply zone on the Bank Nifty on the daily chart. I don't consider this as a demand zone worth trading. And if once we break this demand zone at 48,900, we will have confirmation, which will probably again lead the prices back to 46,000. So good reward to risk on the short side for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Long side, probably no reward to risk on the index, maybe a few stocks. Stock specific longs can be taken, but not on the index for long side. On confirmation, you can look at quick shorts. So that's the 75-minute price chart. Wait for price to move beyond this, let's say 48,900, then path is clear for it to move towards 47,000. However, still, if you see for the last 2 days, it has been finding it very difficult to move beyond 50,000. 200 and today above 50,000. So bearish bias on confirmation, look at quick shorts for Bank Nifty and Nifty both. You can be stock specific long, which doesn't change. But overall, a little bit bearish bias on both the indices.